In the language of modern interior design, few objects speak with such quiet authority and subtle presence as the wooden bedside table. Tucked beside our most intimate spaces, the bedside table becomes more than just a piece of furniture. It becomes a keeper of routines, a silent witness to our quietest moments, and a testament to the artistry of thoughtful craftsmanship. In modern interiors, where intention and personal expression guide every decor decision, the wooden bedside table rises not as an afterthought, but as an essential narrative element, blending intimacy, function, and timeless beauty. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of simple but elegant wooden bedside tables in modern interior decor and income generating. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. To understand the emotional and aesthetic depth of wooden bedside tables, one must first consider their proximity. Unlike dining tables or bookshelves, these pieces live inches away from where we sleep, where we dream, where we heal. They support the last thing we reach for at night and the first thing we touch each morning. They hold our phones, our journals, our medicines, or perhaps a framed photo of someone we love. They are a daily part of our lives, embedded in habits both practical and deeply personal. This closeness gives the bedside table an almost sacred role in interior space. It must be dependable, subtle, and trustworthy. And when crafted from wood, it offers an additional dimension: warmth. Wood, with its natural grains, subtle textures, and quiet strength, creates an emotional bridge between object and inhabitant. Unlike cold metal or impersonal plastic, wood feels alive. It holds memory in its lines. Its surface changes with time and use, becoming even more beautiful with age. When chosen carefully and crafted with purpose, a wooden bedside table becomes more than decor. It becomes a companion. Modern interior design thrives on the philosophy of harmony, and wooden bedside tables offer a flexible aesthetic anchor in this pursuit. Whether in minimalist Scandinavian bedrooms or cozy bohemian lofts, wood adapts. It softens dark spaces and adds depth to pale palettes. It welcomes other textures, linen, glass, ceramics, and enhances them without competing. A bedside table of raw oak or polished walnut can quietly unify a room, offering cohesion between bed frame, flooring, and soft furnishings. It completes the room not by dominating it, but by grounding it. Yet these tables do not live on aesthetic value alone. Their functionality is equally intimate. A drawer hides private notes, late-night pills, or sentimental keepsakes. An open shelf stacks books that we return to for comfort or inspiration. The surface may hold a soft lamp, a scented candle, a glass of water, objects that shape the ritual of rest and restoration. In small apartments and shared spaces, a well-designed bedside table even becomes a compact hub, integrating USB ports, wireless charging, or modular components to keep modern life within reach, yet gently organized. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For those who craft wooden furniture, the bedside table offers both a technical challenge and a deeply rewarding opportunity. It requires proportion without excess, storage without clutter, elegance without extravagance. It teaches the discipline of simplicity. The woodworker must consider not just how the piece looks, but how it will feel, how a hand will glide across its surface in the dark, how a drawer will open smoothly with a sleepy pull, how the legs must be strong enough to last, yet delicate enough not to overpower the bed it sits beside. The intimacy of this object also opens doors for storytelling. Every piece of wood has a past, once part of a tree that lived through seasons and storms. Artisans who honor this can infuse their bedside tables with narrative. Reclaimed barnwood turned into sleek silhouettes, fallen branches repurposed into supports, offcuts transformed into patchwork tops. These stories resonate with buyers, especially those seeking more than just furniture. They seek meaning. They want to know that their home holds things with a past, a purpose, and a maker's mark. For interior decorators and homeowners alike, wooden bedside tables offer a way to personalize the bedroom. They can be symmetrical for balance or mismatched for charm. They can be floating to enhance floor space or grounded to create a sense of stability. Their finishes, matte, gloss, natural, can echo the personality of the occupant. A dark walnut table might suggest sophistication and weight. A whitewashed pine might suggest serenity and lightness. These subtle choices shape not just the look of a room, but the feeling it imparts. In the world of handmade design, wooden bedside tables also represent a viable and emotionally resonant product for creators looking to blend artistry with commerce. They are practical, consistently in demand, and offer a deeply personal point of entry into the homes of customers. Unlike mass-produced bedroom sets, a handcrafted bedside table feels tailored, made with someone in mind. It is more likely to be appreciated, cherished, and kept for decades, forming part of someone's life story. Economically, they hit the sweet spot, small enough to be affordable for buyers, but detailed enough to command respect for the maker's skill. Their compact size also makes them manageable for shipping and selling online, whether through independent platforms or craft-focused marketplaces. They can be customized easily: height, drawer style, handle design, offering endless variations that cater to diverse tastes and needs. In essence, the wooden bedside table represents a beautiful paradox. It is a small object, but it holds a vast presence. It operates quietly, but impacts deeply. It exists in the shadows of the bedroom, but it reflects the light of craftsmanship, intimacy, and intentional living. It is as personal as a whispered goodnight, and as grounding as the earth from which the wood came. In the end, to place a handcrafted wooden bedside table next to one's bed is to invite something meaningful into everyday life. It is to welcome nature, design, and memory into your rest. It is to honor the rhythm of your nights and the promise of your mornings. It is to acknowledge that in the architecture of home, even the smallest pieces, when made with care, can hold the greatest weight. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked simple but elegant wooden bedside tables in modern interior decor and income generating. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.